So, you've considered real estate investing but you're not sure where to begin. Purchasing a home, whether for personal use or as an investment, is a major financial decision. If done right, real estate investing can be very lucrative. Let's discuss a few tips. Welcome to Braylen AV. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe. Number 1. Educate yourself. You must educate yourself on the fundamentals of real estate investing. Some great places to start is reading books, articles in newspapers, magazines, and online. One resource will lead to another, and then another, and it will direct you to the knowledge needed to reach the next level. Number 2. Have a plan. To set and accomplish short and long-term goals, real estate investors must approach their operations with a business professional mindset. Making a business plan is a smart idea, since it helps investors see the broad picture, and keeps your attention on the essential objectives rather than on any little obstacles. Number 3. Have a network. Both novice and seasoned real estate investors can benefit from the assistance and possibilities offered by a professional network. Investors can challenge and encourage one another in this kind of group, which may be made up of a carefully chosen mentor, or business partners. Smart real estate investors are aware of the value of networking, since a large part of the real estate investment process is learning by experience. We have articles on real estate investing in our blog, braylenav.com. Don't forget to visit us and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is also down below. Number 4. Start small. Real estate investing is very profitable when done correctly. It makes for a great second source of income, and a way to diversify your current financial portfolio. But, experts say, it's best to start off small, at a level you're comfortable with. If not, you run the risk of losing a lot of money. Number 5. Don't rush. Real estate is not a get-rich-fast industry, so don't try to expedite the procedure. One requires a lot of patience to succeed, and generate income in this field. Number 6. Property location. For investors to succeed, they must develop a focus, and acquire the depth of knowledge of profitable locations. Long-term success depends on taking the time to develop this level of understanding. Investors who have mastered one city, location, can apply the same in-depth strategy to new markets as well. Number 7. Research the market. Real estate investors need to recognize present situations, and make plans for the future by being informed of current trends, such as any changes in consumer purchasing patterns, mortgage rates, and the unemployment rate, to mention a few. This helps them anticipate when patterns could alter, which may present opportunities. Number 8. Know your cost. Investing in a property involves more than just the purchase price, and projected rental income. As an investor, you need to create a library of ratios and computations to reduce risk, and increase profit to aid in making sensible investments. Smart investors are well versed in these real estate investing measures, enabling them to monitor their current properties, and quickly assess future investments. Number 9. Know the laws. The laws and trends that comprise real estate must all be kept up to date, just like they are with any other business. Successful real estate investors maintain their knowledge, and adjust to any governmental or market changes. Contrary to the numerous advertisings that promises this is a simple road to wealth, it is a difficult industry that requires skill, strategy, and attention. As a real estate investor, you stand to gain in the long term by conducting business ethically, and with respect. While making money is good, building a long-term real estate investment portfolio takes talent, work, and these 9 crucial steps. If this video was valuable, please share it. And visit our description link below. Here are 2 more Millionaire videos for you.